Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study chapter first continuation exercise E, page number 12. Okay, page number 12. Here you can see this. There are some pictures of a boy named Aman. His name is Aman. You can see. So here in the what we have to do is we have to arrange it a in order so that we can make a story about Aman. So here this one is number 1. Here what happened, the school bell rings, and when the school bell rings, what happened, the children go to their home. After school bell rings, children go to their home. When they go to their home, what happened, they pack their bags for going home. So this one is second one, and the third one is this one. See, when he is going home, his his book fall out of his bag. Okay, somewhere here. Then after this, number 4, you can see when he reaches home, he did not find his book at home. Okay, he did not find his book in his bag. So he was very much worried and tensed. He was tensed and worried. Okay, then after this, what happened, he thought that where I will find my book. So he went home, he went back to his school, and he got his book on the road. He find the book later on the road. So this here in this exercise you can see this story, and after this the same thing is given here in written. See, these words are jumbled words. We have to make a proper sentence. Okay, and don't remember to punctuate it. Okay, punctuation means full stop and question mark, and the first word should be capital letter, commas and all this. So these words are jumbled. Here it is given. Now unjumble the sentence to write Aman's story. So here these words are jumble words. We have to unjumble, means we have to rearrange it and put it in proper order to make a proper sentence, a correct sentence. So here, ring school bell, it should be the school bell rings. Okay, you can see here in this picture the school bell rings, and then Aman put his books in his bag. Here you can see in this picture Aman put his book in his bag. Then the third one, you can see the book fall out of Aman's bag. What falls out? Book falls out. In this picture you can see that here his book fell down. And then what happened? He cannot find the book. I showed you he did not find his book at home. Then what happened? Aman cannot find the book at the first, and Aman find the book later on the road. Okay, he found his book on the road. See here in the 6th number, he found it on the road. Then this story is over, and you have to, what you have to do, you have to rearrange it. Okay, then after this we are going to see here what to remember. Here there is one this thing, you have to remember something. What to remember? See, question. What question? Question begins with a capital letter and end with a question mark. We all know that first word should be capital letter, and question should be end with a question mark. Okay, does Aman lose his book? Yes, Aman lost his book. You know that he lost his book on the road. And then where does Aman put his book? He put his book in his bag. You can see that he put his book in his bag. You can see. Then after this, it is this question, exercise G is related to this questions only. What we have to do is we have to write the question words here: when, what, when, who, why, where. These question words we have to use and make a complete sentence. Okay, make a complete question by using these words. Okay, so does Aman close his bag properly? Okay, then where does Aman find his book? Where means उसे कहाँ मिली उसकी बुक, कहाँ पर मिली उसे. Then why do Aman's books fall out? उसकी बुक क्यों गिरी थी? Why? Because his bag was open. You can see here in this picture his bag was little open, that's why his books fell down from the bag. Books fall out. Why do Aman's books fall out? Because his bag was open. Then what does Aman do next? Aman ने बाद में क्या किया? What? Okay, so what does Aman do next? He what did he do? He went to school to find his book. Okay, then who is not very careful? कौन केयरफुल नहीं है? Who means कौन केयरफुल नहीं है? Not very careful. So Aman is not very careful because he lost his book. Then when does school finish? School कब ख़त्म होता है, यानी कब क्लोज होता है? स्कूल टाइमिंग. व्हाट इज़ द स्कूल टाइमिंग? दैट यू ऑल नो. When does school finish? So these are some questions that we have to make by using these words. Okay, and the next one, see here, punctuate the sentence. Here, punctuate. What is punctuation? Putting the first word in capital letter they have given here, and using the question mark, full stop, like this. Okay, so here you can see that what do you do after school. Here we have written what do you do after school and question mark added here, question mark. Okay, are you hungry? See, the first word is not written in capital letter, so here we are writing it in capital letter also. Then I'm tired. I am tired. These are punctuation marks, full stop, and this question marks. Do you like tennis? See, do first word is not here capital letter, it is not written in capital letter. We will write it in proper manner, this question. Okay, and this one is not a question, so we will not put here question mark. Okay, Aman does not often watch television. That means it means Aman ज़्यादातर टेलीविज़न नहीं देखता है, and here full stop. Then here in the question number I, exercise I, write the correct question next to this situation. There are some situations given. This question here, some situation is given, and we have to add this. We have to use these words, this sentence here. Okay, you see an English word but you don't know how to say it. It means आपने एक इंग्लिश वर्ड देखा पर आप उसे बोल नहीं पा रहे. ओके, तो हाउ डू यू से दिस? हु सेइंग दिस? हाउ डू यू से दिस वन? आप इसे कैसे बोलते हो? बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द वर्ड. ओके, देन सेकेंड वन, यू सी एन इंग्लिश वर्ड बट यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट. अंडरस्टैंड यानी आपको वो समझ में नहीं आया वो वर्ड. आपने एक इंग्लिश वर्ड देखा बुक में पर आपको वो बुक समझ में नहीं आई. यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो व्हाट वी से, इसका मतलब क्या है, ऐसे पूछते हो ना आप लोग. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? आपको एक वर्ड पता है, उसका आपको मीनिंग नहीं पता है, तो आप लोग क्या पूछते हो? मैम इसका मीनिंग क्या है? व्हाट डज दैट मीन? ओके, सो हियर वी विल ऐड व्हाट डज दैट मीन. ओके, देन you want to write about something but you don't know the right English word for it. Means you want to write something but you don't know the perfect word. So what's this in English? You will write here. इसे इंग्लिश में कैसे लिखते हैं? ओके, क्या then here see, you have to read the whole chapter of English grammar and you have to revise it. First and second chapter both we have done the revision. So dear students, any question may be asked from these both the chapters, and English, main English subject also. So be prepared for the test and learn every question of English also, because from the middle of the chapter you may be asked any question. Okay, thank you.